2 hours a day. That's what the average knowledge worker spends inside email. I got mine down to 20 minutes, and I never manually sort, summarize, or draft a reply from scratch anymore. For layers to this, native tools you already have, dedicated clients, no-code automations, and a fully custom pipeline that triages your inbox while you sleep. That last one is the reason I stopped opening my inbox first thing in the morning. And here's what nobody tells you. The biggest wins aren't in fancy tools. They're in the free features sitting in your account right now. Gmail's Help Me Write. Open a reply, look for the little pencil and sparkle icon, click it, type decline politely, suggest next month. It drafts the whole thing in your tone. Edit one line, send. That's a 3-minute email turned into 15 seconds. Smart Compose finishes your sentences as you type. Turn it on in settings. Free. You're already paying for it. But native tools are dumb about your whole inbox. That's where dedicated clients come in. Shortwave. It summarizes an entire thread, 20 back and forth messages, into 3 bullets at the top. You ask its assistant, what did I agree to in this chain? And it pulls the answer. On Outlook or Microsoft 365, Copilot does the same summarization plus a coaching feature that flags when your tone reads too aggressive before you hit send. On Apple Mail with Apple Intelligence, you get thread summaries and smart reply built in. Pick the one that matches your stack. Don't pay for what you already own. Now, the part that actually saves hours, automation. Zapier. Build a zap that triggers on every new email, runs an AI action that reads it, and applies a label, urgent, newsletter, needs reply. You define the categories in plain English. When you open Gmail, it's already sorted. Or use Zapier agents to draft replies to routine emails and drop them in your drafts folder. Draft only, never auto-send. You wake up, review, hit send on good ones. A morning of triage becomes 4 minutes of approving. Prefer more control? Make an N8N do the same with LLM modules. N8N is open source and self-hostable, so your email data never leaves your server. That matters because most of these tools need broad inbox access. Read their data policy before you connect anything. The custom pipeline. This is what I run daily. Gmail API plus the OpenAI or Anthropic API. You set up a Google Cloud project, authorize with OAuth, and write a script that pulls new mail, classifies intent, extracts every action item, and pushes tasks straight into your to-do app. Send the invoice by Friday becomes a task automatically. It also drafts replies matching your voice and files them. It runs on a schedule. Every hour, no clicks. Setup takes an afternoon. After that, your inbox manages itself. One rule that'll save you: never auto-send. LLMs hallucinate details, wrong dates, made-up commitments. Keep everything draft-only and review before it goes out. One bad auto-reply to a client costs more than the time you saved. And check your workspace admin settings. Corporate accounts often block third-party access, so test on a personal account first. Subscribe because tomorrow I'm building that Zapier triage flow live, step by step. You can copy it in 10 minutes. Your one job today: turn on Help Me Write and reply to your next email with it. That's the first 20 minutes back.